Pins can sometimes be straightened carefully and reused, but rivets usually need to be drilled out for removal, and they can't be reused. But in mechanical repair and maintenance, threaded fasteners, especially nuts and bolts, are king. When you're replacing or repairing a bolt, you need to know exactly what you've got. Otherwise, the replacement won't fit or hold properly. Bolts are identified by three main things: diameter, length, and thread pitch. Diameter is the thickness of the bolt's shank. Length is from the bottom of the head to the tip, unless it's a countersunk bolt, where you measure the whole thing. Thread pitch is the distance from one thread to the next. In SAE, inch-based bolts, thread pitch is measured in threads per inch. In metric bolts, it's measured in millimeters per thread. That's why you might hear a 1/4 for an SAE bolt, or M8 by 1.25 for metric. Warning: mixing them up can cause damage and sometimes even dangerous failure. Back in the day, here in the US, almost everything was SAE. But for decades now, a lot of equipment has come from overseas, or has parts designed to metric standards. Here's a quick difference. SAE uses fractions of an inch for diameter: 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch. Metric uses millimeters: M6, M8, M10. The threads themselves are cut differently too, so an SAE nut won't fit a metric bolt, and vice versa. When in doubt, grab a thread gauge or a bolt board to double-check. It's faster than guessing, and a lot cheaper than stripping threads. Within both SAE and metric, there are coarse and fine thread options. Coarse threads are deeper and farther apart. They're better for quick assembly, softer materials, or places where dirt and corrosion might be a problem. Fine threads are closer together. They have more contact area for the same length, which makes them stronger in tension and better for precision work. Both have their place. The trick is knowing which one your project needs. Most bolts and nuts tighten clockwise. That's a right-hand thread. But there are exceptions, left-hand threads, and they're there for a reason. You'll find left-hand threads where normal rotation could loosen the right-hand fastener. A classic example is the left pedal on a bicycle, or certain parts of heavy machinery. Machine screws. People mix these up all the time. A bolt is designed to be used with a nut or into a pre-tapped hole. A screw cuts its own threads into the material as it's driven in, or matches pre-cut threads without needing a nut. Now, here's where machine screws can trip people up. They look a lot like small bolts, but they're usually used in tapped holes or with small machine nuts. In other words, they're like the bolt's little cousin that's still a team player, but in smaller assemblies like electronics, appliances, and precision equipment. Washers are more than just spacers. Flat washers spread the load so you don't crush the material under the fastener head. Lock washers help prevent vibration from loosening the fastener. Sometimes, using the right washer is the difference between a connection that stays solid and one that shakes loose. Repairing damaged threads. Sometimes, threads get damaged, maybe from over-tightening, corrosion, or a part failure. If the damage is light, you can use a thread file or a chasing die to clean them up. For more serious damage, you might need to drill and tap for an insert, like a helicoil, to restore the threads to original size. It's not magic. It just takes the right tools and a steady hand. That's it for today's Shop Talk. I'm Sparky. Thanks for hanging out with me. Now go make something awesome and keep those fasteners tight. Sparky out.